Hey guys, what's up? This is Andrew for TRENDLINES.com. So welcome to our first trading games organized on Discord. So I'm going to here remind you guys the rules that we're having. We already have some players, so we're going to go through every player's plays and analyze why they decided to take this kind of positions. So I'm going to show you here everything. We're going to keep a ranking of the best players, and I'm going to announce in this video the prices that will be distributed every month to the best players. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so the very first thing, for those who are not with me on Discord, I will explain for the first time that we organize some trading games. So the purpose of those games, it's of course in a simulation mode. I will be taking care of aggregating everybody's position, every player's position. We created a very user-friendly form that you guys need to fill. I will show you in this video how to do it very quickly. I'm gonna go through the rules again with you so that you understand what you are supposed to do here. And we already have some players, so I computed already the PNL of those players. So I'm gonna show you those plays that look pretty good to me. And we're gonna see who is leading the ranking. So let's start first with the form. So for those who are with me on Discord, you go to trading games. You just click on the form, guys. It's very easy, it's just here. And I'm going to show you how to fill it first, because I've received many plays that were not easy for me to understand and to use. So it was pretty much a pain in the ass. So basically, you first give me your Discord ID so I know who you are. You can give me a nickname so that, you know, it's just more friendly. I can call you by your name or your nickname instead of your Discord ID. You can add a picture if you want. Then I would be able to understand better what kind of plays you are doing. Enter a ticker, so we only accept stocks. Some of you guys gave us some cryptocurrency. I'm using Bloomberg to compute the PNL, so I'm just not able to do it for crypto. Only Bitcoin would be accepted. So if you want to play Bitcoin, you can enter BTC USD here. Then you decide if it's a long position or short position. All right, very easy. You give me your entry level, so only one level. Some of you gave me many levels. Guys, it's not going to be easy for me to do like that, so give me only one level, one exit level, and one stop loss. You don't need to give me exit level if you don't have a target. You can just let it run. You don't need to give me a stop loss if you are fine losing all your capital. Then you tell me the reasons why you got in. If you know, if you don't know, it's fine. Just give me no reason. It's not mandatory. For example, a breakout, a divergence. You know, I'm gonna do it for example with you, Tesla. So my nickname is Andrew. Okay, Discord ID Andrew, hashtag blah blah blah. Okay, ticker Tesla, long. Okay, I buy. If you want to buy at market, so basically you can. I want to make things as easy as possible for you guys, so you can just send me your plays whenever you want during the week. I will just take care of those that are valid, those that are not valid, and then we're gonna. So the game would last for one full month, and prices will be given to players that are the best after 1 month. So you can basically have one play a week or something like this. I will decide, I will let you know exactly how what are the rules for that. For now, don't bother yourself with that. If you have any plays you want to do, just go there whenever you want and fill in the form. So unique entry level, if you want to buy at market, you just put something that you're sure to be executed. So if I buy Tesla at 1,100 at the open today, I would be executed. All right, and I have a target at 1,500, for example. Stop loss, I don't feel good if I see a price coming below 990, for example. We have a SMA breakout, new high, no divergence, the volume is huge, company news, and nice consumer. Okay, so this is the reason. Order signal, I like Tesla. Okay, do you agree to disclose? Yes. Okay, and then did I enter everything? All right, so you see guys, pretty easy. Just here, give me a real ticker and the levels. Don't give me many levels, just give me one number. All right, that's so that I can easily compute everything that you're giving me here. You submit, and all right, it has been recorded. So now I'm gonna tell you guys what are gonna be the prices. So for now, we only have 4 players. All right, we had more than that. So the games started last week. So we have more plays than that, but most of the plays were not. I didn't understand what you guys wanted to do. So just do it again. It's going to be accepted until the end of the month. So you have time. For now, I have 4 valid plays. I'm going to go through all of those 4. But first, I want to tell you guys the prices that will be given for this month as we have just started. And as you can see, we have only 4 players. I can't give too big prices. So I will just give $300 to the first player. So right now it is Chunks. So we're going to analyze his play very soon. So he's making very little profit, 30 bips, up on 3%. Here is the P&L, but he's still positive and he's the first. So we're going to analyze his play, but for now, Chunks is to receive $300 by the end of the month. PayPal transfer with email address if this is working. And yeah, so let's now analyze what he gave us. So KR, he wanted to buy at 40. He has a stop loss at 38 and a target at 45. Okay, so let's see this play. So KR, all right, so here it is. And what kind of signal is he seeing? He's seeing a sloping breakout, a moving average breakout, and a divergence. So let's analyze that. All right, so I'm trying to look for those signals. Let me get rid of that. This is old stuff. All right, so a sloping breakout. Yes, I see it. It's here. Well done, Chunks. You spotted it. Okay, so we have indeed a sloping breakout. Then divergence. So I'm checking the MACD. And indeed, I have here the price action making lower lows and the momentum indicator making higher lows. All right, so this is a divergence on the daily time frame. And this is signaling that the bears are out of steam and that a reversal is about to come. So whenever you have a divergence plus a breakout, which Chunks identified, you have something bullish. He also said, moving average breakout, true, that we just broke above the 20 period moving average that was acting as a resistance. So this is a very good play. And I mean, I'm happy to see that for now, the number 1 of the ranking of the ranking is giving me a play with good reasons. So, and his target is at 45. 45 is a nice target, guys. Okay, so what is he using? Full of sense is the recent low, and indeed is like the just above the gap down we had here. So it's a good target. It's a nice trade, and the stop loss at 38. So I guess he just used the recent low. Very good, below the 200-day moving average. Very well done. So this is a very valid play. Let's see if he's able to exit at his target before being stopped. I'm going to monitor all of that, but for now he's in the money. His play is nice. Once again, the game will end at the end of the month. But for next month, if the play is still good, we're going to keep it. And it's going to be valid for the whole month. And you can add more plays, all right, whenever you want. And I'm going to limit, I think, 5 plays maximum by each player or something like this. So just don't bother yourself with that. I'm going to take care of this and I'm going to announce more rules if needed. So very nice play. Let's analyze the second one, G-Star CVS. All right, so he's up as well. So he's number 2 of the ranking for now. So unfortunately, there was no prize for number 2. So let's see if he's able to beat Chunks before the end of the week. I mean, the end of the month, which is the same for this week. CVS. Okay. So he's a buyer at 88, stop loss 86, target 91. Let's check. And then we're going to check the different signals. So 88. So he's done. All right. He's a buyer at 88. He's done. So here I put the entries. So those guys, they have all been executed. One has been stopped. We're going to discuss this. No one reached the target. So just focus on here, guys. This is where I see who is in, who is not in. So CVS, he's done. He bought at 88. He has a stop loss at 86, not executed. So let's see why he got in. New high, nice consolidation, and a resistance. Okay, so indeed, I see a nice consolidation before the move. That is a very good signal to use. That's why I added it, guys. Whenever you see this kind of consolidation, it means that the market is building energy. And usually, you need to wait for a breakout with volume after this kind of consolidation before getting in. So here, G-Star is anticipating a breakout, I guess, because I don't see a breakout. All right. But I guess he has good reason to think that we're going to have a breakout. We have something that is close to a breakout. So for me, I wouldn't get in right now. He has a stop loss at 86, so very tight. Okay. okay, just below Friday's move, which low was at 86.2. So I guess he's just using this. So it's a day trading play, which is valid. We closed above. So we had the breakout. So I mean, if you use the closing levels, he could see the breakout before. So I understand the move, new high low, okay, because he's considering that we traded above the recent high here. And we closed above, so this is true. Nice consolidation, true, and support resistance. Okay, I don't really understand why he put support resistance here. I don't see a support. So we have a resistance that we are breaking out, so it's a breakout signal. But whatever, he's in the trade. Let's see if he gets stopped. Where did he put his target? Target at 91. Okay, so he's risking 2 to win 3, so the risk reward is only 1.5, guys. You know, risking 2 to winning 3 is not a beautiful risk reward. So the target is, I think, very much achievable, and he just used the all-time high, all right? It's funny, just above the all-time high. I would personally put my selling order here just below the all-time high, all right? Because usually if we go slightly above, we have a breakout, but maybe he's playing, you know, a fake out. I don't know. Anyway, he is number 2 in the ranking, but same, he just entered his trade. He's basically making something close to 0 here. Then I'm gonna analyze, as we have only 4 plays, I'm gonna go through all of them. The Germans. So we have here a crypto player. So he wants to sell the Bitcoin at 62,000 with a stop loss at 62,550. So basically he got stopped because Bitcoin traded, you can see I'm having here the high, Bitcoin traded at 63,700 at the highest level. So basically he sold here and bought higher. So his trade has been closed with 80 bips loss, but at least he's not losing more. This is a tight stop loss, it's totally fair. The reason was support resistance. So do we have a resistance at 62,500? Let's check on the hourly time frame. Okay, so let's see if there is some support resistance at 62. Okay, here, got it. It's true. We have here indeed a resistance that has been broken. So he's saying fibs or support or resistance. We indeed have the fib level at 62,300. So sometimes during ABC corrections, because clearly, guys, we are in a corrective mode on Bitcoin. And I think he was playing a short B wave that then got rejected before making new lows. But here the B wave was stronger than expected, definitely. We went to the almost 61.8% retracement, so 61.8, something close to that. And now it seems that we are again shifting south. So let's see. But he got unfortunately stopped, so he's losing 80 bips. But as we're gonna accumulate those positions, it's good, guys, to have a strict risk management if you want to do more plays, so that you can still recover from your losses. If you make a loss at the beginning of the month, for next month, for example, then if you make good plays, using a stop loss for your first place is something that can allow you to reach the top 3 in the ranking and get some price. And the last is done by Can't Touch My Funk. It's a short trade. So basically, let's have a look. It's on net. He spotted a divergence and some volumes that he used to short at 182 with a target at 165. So let's have a look at that. Net. All right. So he shorted here and he's saying there is a divergence. So I don't see a divergence. So let's, all right, this stock is just going higher. If I need to do some TA, this is to me quite bullish here. Okay, I see a resistance, but a bit higher. So I would not, I think, sell that early, but why not? I mean, this could have been valid. I don't see the divergence on the daily time frame, but I'm pretty sure there is one on a shorter time frame. And we have it indeed, but to me, this divergence is not strong enough. We have market making higher highs and the MACD making lower highs. But, you know, for divergence to be really valid, I like to have, you know, some nice waves. Here, I don't see really a high, you know, I just see a flattening of the curve. I like to see really like some waves with real highs. but maybe he didn't get stopped. He didn't use a stop loss, right? No stop loss. All right, so maybe he's gonna come back quickly. The stock is moving a lot. So for now, it didn't go in the right direction, but we still have the divergence if he's looking at it. In terms of volume, so maybe the volume are shifting lower. Okay, yeah, that's it. We have the volumes going lower with the price action going higher. So indeed, this is a valid signal. I like this kind of play. It makes total sense to check the volumes and see like if the bulls are getting tired, all right? If we're making new highs without momentum and without volume, usually there is a reversal. So it's very interesting. For now, this play is still valid. We still have low volume. We still make new high, but the volume increased a little bit. So let's see. I'm not sure he would still do it right now, but the play is on in the simulation that we are creating. So we're gonna keep following that, and let's see if he's able to come back in the ranking and maybe beat Chunks or G-Star. For now, Chunks is the number one. So congratulations to him. Once again, for now, he's going to receive $300 at the end of this week because we don't have many players, but next month the prices will increase if we have more players. So guys, come play. If you are not on Discord yet, join the free area. For now, I keep this game for the members, the paying members. Because we are starting, so we're still in the process of building everything, but I think we will open it to the free area as well, maybe not next month, but maybe the months later. So we're gonna have more players, the prices are gonna be bigger, and the purpose of this game is to show you guys what kind of plays you do. I'm then only analyzing the best plays that I see. But what is interesting is that you need to give me some reasons, some signals. So I'm going to add more signals if I see that you guys often use the other here signals that you can have. If you don't know what signals to put, you can just put other signals. So if I see that many times I see the same, I will add it and I will use it maybe myself as well. It's a good way to learn for you. It might be even a way to learn for me. And I think it's very entertaining to follow those plays. At least it is for me. I hope it is for you too. So I'm waiting for you guys. Come on Discord, come to play. And I'm going to keep updating you on everything that is happening there. So thank you very much for watching this video. And I see you soon. See you guys.